All right, I'm gonna drop off my breakage right over my truck bed there. Probably right over the rail somehow. And then I'm gonna bring in them couple ACRs that I took apart this morning. These things are not light. Hiya! Dang, that thing heavy. Hiya! Man, I got some grease in the back of my truck. Just a little bit of grease. Hiya! Suckers is heavy. One more. Hey-yo! All right. Next stop, ACRs and batteries. Right, how did we do? How did we do? How's it going, boss man? Just another day. Blake comes here all the time. Is that any good? Is that a battery? Yeah. Yeah. Not bad, 43 pounds. I just cut them out this morning. Beautiful. Take them off?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Nice. Well, Grandpa, what's next? Show me the money. Say, drum roll, please.
476.
Show me the money. Yes, sir. That was a good day.
Please scan your barcode. Please wait for one transaction to process.
Por favor, esperen mientras procesamos su transacción.
Please take your pen.
Por favor, retire su dinero.
right, guys, $476 with them ACRs. We'll look at that just a little bit closer real quick. The ACRs themselves, well, let's go back to this. $925 per 100 pounds of breakage. We had $216. That's them 6 lawnmowers. I mean, shred, excuse me. Aluminum breakage, 27 cents. Hey, it went from 24 to 27. $108 right there for that breakage. So mowers and breakage, $324. And then we had my 43 pounds of condensers, $3.30 a pound. 30 bucks for them. The batteries, 30 cents a pound for 21 bucks. $476. Scrap with Grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? Well, that was well worth it, and we're going back to the field tomorrow and do 6 more lawnmowers and see how we do tomorrow. I'll see you on the next video, guys. You know the deal. Ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video so you don't miss it. We'll see you on the next one.